Hi everyone, I'm James from Hashting. Personally, one of the positives I took out of last week was the amount of information sharing that was happening between companies, and also some of the positive dialogues, new dialogues that started between companies. So in this spirit, I'd like to extend to you all a personal invite for our own webinar this Wednesday from 12 until 12:30. The title of the webinar is How Consumer Brands Can Respond Faster and Rebuild Stronger. The main goal is to give marketeers some short-term recommendations and guidance on how to respond quickly, practically, and most importantly, meaningfully to their consumers. This will then be balanced with the longer-term view on how to evolve your brand strategy to become more connected with consumers as we start to establish what we call the new normal. So first we'll have some short insights that came out of last week from data houses such as Kantar, IRI and Nielsen. We'll then move on to present the results of our own research in terms of what marketeers are planning to do to come out stronger. And finally, we'll discuss some practical approaches on how to adapt to this new reality and generate some immediate impact. We'd love to have you there. Just click on the link in the first comment below to register your interest.